everyone, welcome back to Real Estate 99. Today let's quickly break down the basic structure of an HTML. Without wasting no time, we shall come here as usual. We create our folder. We shall call it HTML structure. HTML page structure. Then we shall right click. We open our folder with VS Code. Then we shall name create a new file under our folder. We shall call it index. We shall call it index.html. Alright, after calling it index.html, we are going to briefly explain the HTML page structure in this video. We come and say, you first put the page declaration, you come next to the root, we set our language to English language. Next we come to our head section. Under the head section we are going to be having the metadata information and the title of our page. Example here, we shall define our character set whereby it will be and the purpose of this one ensures correct display of the characters. Next, metadata here. This one ensures responsiveness on all devices, whether you're on a desktop or a mobile device. Still under the head section, we are going to give our page the title. We shall call our title of the page. We are going to say this is the name that always shows in your web browser tab. We shall say this is in the web browser tab. We shall say my first HTML page. Now from here, come to the body. This is under the body. It's where the visible content like headings, paragraphs, and so many other content of your page are always seen. Example, we shall give our page a heading. Welcome to my page. Now let's first run this one and see. Yeah, this is the structure. If we want, we can add like a paragraph and our body section. Like this is my first HTML page. This is it. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Hit and subscribe on my page.